Hi guys, I'm in Big Lots right now. Welcome to another plant shopping video. In today's video, I'm showing you different plant accessories. Here we're looking at the saucers. Very good prices from what I say. 65 cents, 80 cents. Those are about as big as I need them. But yeah, large, extra large, medium, and small. Here at Big Lots, they have tons of garden accessories. We have watering cans, hanging planter things, glazed ball stand. I don't know what that's for, but yeah, these are cute though. This is so my style. The black metal. There's no price on them, but I can't imagine they're more than $10, $15. I don't know, should I get this? This would really match my aesthetic. Oh, $15. More planters down here. Wooden planters. The small one's 22. The large one I could imagine is like 30. Ooh, they have a terrarium in green. It's $30. Feels like it has like a wooden base. So the terrarium is $30. We have things that you could use to hang different plants in. Plant lady. That's cute. That is really, really cute. I love Big Lots because they always have like cute decorative items. $45 for a 3-tier plant stand. Kind of want to look at it. Oh, I can't open it, but oh, look at this. Tabletop. This one's 25. That one's 25. This plant lady planter 16. Yeah, I like this. They have more like decorative items for your plants. The metal plant stand, which is so my aesthetic. Large ones 30, small ones 22. Well, they have tons of large plant stands as well. Ones for corners, lots of planters. Talk dirt to me. Here's the big wall of planters for like large and mature plants. They have so many garden items here. It is ridiculous. Organic choice potting soil, gloves, different grow kits, a spread and sprout. I guess that's a grow kit. That's cool. Garden care, ultimate grip. I wish they had some pruning scissor things here. I need some of those. They have it in like a Slytherin green color as well. I had to come back. Oh, and the greens. Remember your roots. How cute. I decided not to get that. I don't know where I would put it on my wall. I kind of want it though. Plant lady. That would be so cute. Very cute. Here's a cute grow old with me. That's so cute. And they have these you could put on your ceiling and hang something from it. These are $10. They come with a saucer and like the moving plant base. Here I found the $16 and under ceramic planters. Very like urban jungle-esque. I definitely found one that I enjoy. Well, a couple. Pretty colors. And then I really like this color. It's very much more peachy in person. $12. So no drainage hole though. This one looks super trendy. I've always wondered if it would be smart to buy a fake plant and then like take the stuff out of it and use the decorative planter. I wonder if that's more like economically savvy. That one's cute. How cute is that? But like these, $60. Wow. $40? Probably not then. Probably not. And they're probably so hard to take apart. Oh, it's a resin planter. I was like, look how big this terracotta pot is. They tricked me. I'm at a different Walmart in the plant section. Just checking out what they have. They have like all their fertilizer treatment stuff together. This is where I usually get my watering cans from. $2.97. I have one in green and one in black. Here we have the different treatments that they have here. I want to try that arbor stuff now. I've seen it. This is my first time seeing it. Comment below if you've ever used it before. So here's the saucers, the prices of them at Walmart. So is it a better deal here or there at I'm about to say Bojangles, at Big Lots? So you can see the planters or the saucers are a better deal here, I'd say. But they do have different sizes there. I guess those are all the same sizes. So if you're looking for saucers, Walmart definitely has the best price right now. Ooh, let's see. The floral pruners, large hand pruners. They have different pruners right now. I need to get one of these because I'm usually using scissors. So soft grip adjustable pruner. For $7. Yeah. Prune stems and branches. Branches and stem, plants and flowers. They have lots of light colored planters. So that one looks like the one I just saw at the top right here. Looks like the one. It looks like the one that I saw at Big Lots earlier or in my different video. I might put it all together, just shopping for plant accessories. Those are cute right there in the center of the frame. The ones in the center of the frame are cute. Yeah, I figured. They look like bamboo, but really they're like hard ceramic planters. The wall planters, drainage holes, keyholes, everything you need. I'm gonna put these down while I go out here. Hi, how are you? That's good. Is this who I think it is? I don't know if the color picks up in here. No. There's golden pothos. They have the shingle plant or the shingle vine for $19. Costa Farms. Ooh, Baltic Blue. They look super healthy. Oh, God. Uh-oh. They're so drained. Waterlogged, I think that's what it's called. I'm not trying to whisper, but the garden lady's like standing there watching me. Feels a little strange. Going on the floor. Yeah, they have a pretty good selection here. They have one carry heart leaf or Hoya carry left. Oh no, they have tons of heart plants left. I probably could find one that's like starting to grow. Another one. That would make me very happy. I found tons of Baltic blues here at Walmart, and they're so beautiful, so full.